not feeling that well today, but, bills and stuff.
Well, stay away from me. I don't want no germs.
If only there was a way to get out of work. I need to feel better.
Well, you could go see the nurse.
Nah, she'll just give me a tablet to feel better. I just want to lay down.
If Mr. Brown sees ya, he'll fire ya.
He doesn't scare me. Wow, I'm really feeling unwell. I'm gonna go get out of work. You watch.
Logan? Logan!
Oh.
Have you seen Logan, Moreton?
Yeah, he might be a while. I'd say he needs to go to Canberra, via Newcastle Express first.